there, we're live at Mystic Mines, and we're here with Lorraine today. Hi, Lorraine.
Hi.
Lorraine's doing some mining after school today, and look at what she's found. Wow, are you having fun?
Yes.
Look at that.
Absolutely.
Holy cow. Okay, show us what you do. Oh, you're getting a big scoop. Oh, I see one already. Oh, we missed it.
It's fine, Mom.
Okay.
Whoa, I already know what that is.
Wow.
That's adventuring right there.
Oh, you know your stones. Good for you. What
That
else
is-
you got next?
Whatever that is. That's
You know what this one is?
definitely-
What is that one? You're wearing it.
Oh, hematite.
Absolutely.
This is definitely sodalite. This, I have no idea what that is. This is definitely adventuring. This, I have no idea.
Hang on, what is that? Look at that.
I think that might be a shark tooth.
That's an arrowhead. I was
Ooh.
gonna say, it looks like
Arrowhead.
that's an arrowhead. That's awesome.
Big.
No way. Oh, thanks, Lorraine, for coming to mine with us. Have a great time.
Welcome.